Making money with ChatGPT? Nah, it's not some scam. It's actually a skill. But these days, every other YouTuber, every second reel out there is yelling, "Make bank with AI. Pull in 10 grand a month using ChatGPT." But let's be real. No one's actually giving you clarity. It's either super technical or just plain unrealistic. And the biggest issue? Most students think one of two things. Either I need to be a coder, or I already need to have a personal brand. But honestly, all you really need is a phone, a solid internet connection, and a little common sense. With just that, ChatGPT can be your own mini business partner. Now listen, I'm not here to lie you. This ain't some get-rich overnight YouTube fantasy. This video's for folks who are actually ready to take action. People who might be broke right now, but are hungry to build real skills. This is for all of you sitting in class thinking, I wish I could find something that doesn't need a big investment, but could still bring in some decent cash. So here's the deal. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 5 real, practical, and tested business ideas that you can start using ChatGPT. No coding skills, no upfront money required. And if you play your cards right, any one of these ideas could become your first $1,000 or even a $10K month income stream. So if you're ready, grab a notebook and a pen, start taking notes, hit that like button for the algorithm, and play this video at 1.25x speed for a smoother ride. Idea number 1, copywriting with ChatGPT. If you're broke but you've got a laptop, or even just your phone and Wi-Fi, freelancing is hands down the smartest way to get started. You don't need crazy skills. You just need to know how to use the right prompt at the right time. ChatGPT becomes your co-writer, helping you get work done 10x faster. So what kind of gigs can you offer using ChatGPT? Blog writing. Create SEO-optimized articles for websites. Product descriptions. Write catchy copy for Amazon listings or e-commerce brands. YouTube scripts. Help creators or small brands with clear and punchy scripts. And finally, LinkedIn posts for startup founders and influencers. So now you know what kind of stuff you can do. But here's the big question. How do you actually get started? Well, first, you need to know where to find clients. Remember these 3 platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Go create a free account on all 3, set up your gigs, and make sure you have a solid profile and a clean portfolio. And guess what? You can even use ChatGPT to help you create that portfolio. Now let's say someone hits you up. A client wants a blog post on digital marketing. You've got 2 ways to approach it. The first is what 90% of people will do. They'll just type something basic like, ChatGPT, write a 500-word SEO blog post on the top 5 digital marketing trends in 2025. And what happens? The content comes out kind of robotic, because if you don't guide ChatGPT properly, you'll never get results that stand out. That's why you've got to understand prompt engineering. The example prompt is now appearing on your screen. So here's the deal. I'm going to break down what a perfect prompt looks like, step by step, in plain, easy language. Step 1, role assignment. Start by telling ChatGPT who it is. Something like, you are a content writer who specializes in digital marketing blogs. Boom. Now it's wearing that hat. Whatever you ask after that, it's going to answer like a pro content writer. Step 2, task clarity. Next, you got to be specific about the job. Say something like, write a 500-word SEO-optimized blog post. Now it knows exactly what to deliver, no guessing. Step 3, topic selection. Then drop in the actual topic, the top 5 digital marketing trends in 2025. That gives it direction, no vague answers. Step 4, tone calibration. This is a game changer. Tell it, use a friendly and conversational tone, like a smart friend explaining something to you. Why? Because that breaks the default robotic tone and makes the content sound human, relatable, and share-worthy. Step 5, format structuring. Now structure it. Start with a short, catchy intro. Sets the scene, builds connection, grabs attention. Use subheadings for each trend. Add a takeaway or example with each point. Why this works. Most people scroll fast. They skim. This format makes your article easy to understand. Step 6, style enhancements. Drop in a line like, use bullet points where helpful. That instantly boosts readability. Plus, it makes the article easy to turn into Instagram carousels, short-form videos, or social content. Step 7, audience specification. Wrap it up by saying, write this for young marketers and small business owners. Now, ChatGPT knows the exact vibe to hit. It won't sound too stiff or too casual. It'll speak their language. So now your content's ready. So this was the breakdown of a prompt. And using this structure, you can create many prompts, like the ones you see on the screen. But don't just send it out raw. You need to personalize it a bit and run it through Grammarly to clean it up. Only then should you send it to your client. And hey, don't stress. These days, clients know you're using ChatGPT, and they honestly don't care, because most of them don't have the time to do it themselves. That's why they're outsourcing the work to begin with. All they care about is, did this save me time, and does the content work, not how you made it. And let's say, for example, you get just 5 clients a week, each paying you $20 for content. That's $100 a week or $400 a month, just by sitting in your room and doing freelance gigs with ChatGPT. Now here's a pro tip. Start with lower pricing to build up your reviews, because on these platforms, reviews are everything. Once you start stacking up 5-star ratings, start doubling your rates. Slowly, but confidently. Now pause for a sec and think about that. If people are making this kind of money just by using AI tools, can you even imagine what the people building those tools are earning? And that's exactly why I want to put you on to something big. If you're serious about this stuff, not just using AI tools, but actually learning how to build them, then listen up. Watch this video till the end first, and then check out the link in the description. I've added a full step-by-step guide video there that'll take you even deeper. Now, let's get back to the video. Business idea number 2, AI-powered Instagram page. These days, everyone's doom scrolling through Reels on Instagram. But have you ever thought, instead of just watching this stuff, what if I ran my own page and actually made money from it? Instagram right now is flooded with brands, and it's where a ton of ad money flows. And here's the best part, you don't even have to write anything yourself. ChatGPT handles the content. Canva handles the visuals. You just sit back and grow. Now look, it's not as easy as it sounds, so let me break it down step by step. Step 1, pick a powerful niche. Don't just make a random page posting random stuff. Pick something that's relatable, like college life, motivation, or mental health. Monetizable, like finance tips, career advice, or productivity hacks. Evergreen, like quotes, life advice, daily hacks, or fitness mode. Step 2, create content using ChatGPT. The example prompt is now appearing on your screen. Now here's the breakdown. Step 3, design in Canva. Use bold fonts, clean templates, and bright colors to make your post pop. Step 4, post consistently. Once you hit 10K, 20K followers from consistent posting, the money starts coming in. Here's how. Brand deals. From online learning platforms, wellness startups, small businesses, affiliate marketing. Promote tools like Notion, Skillshare, or hosting platforms and earn a cut. Digital products. Sell things like ebooks, planners, templates, or Notion dashboards. And no, you don't need to create these products from scratch either. ChatGPT can help you build them too. Look, remember one thing, that as long as you are using Instagram for entertainment, you are just a user. When you learn how to monetize Instagram, you are an expert in the game. Business idea number 3, faceless YouTube channel with AI. I know a lot of you want to start a YouTube channel, but maybe you're shy in front of the camera, or you don't have a fancy setup. Or honestly, even I am also one of them. You just don't want to show your face. Totally fair. This idea is for you. You can build a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Content goes viral, and the cash starts rolling in. Step 1. Pick a niche where your voice and visuals do the job. Here are a few killer ideas. Finance, for example, a video like how to save $1,000 fast as a student. You don't need to show your face, just use on-screen text and voiceover. Motivational topics, like breaking down Elon Musk's daily routine or mindset tips. Tech news, my favorite, like iPhone 17 features leaked. People eat that stuff up. These niches are evergreen, and guess what? CPMs here are high, around $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. Step 2. Write the script using ChatGPT. This is usually the hardest part, but not with AI. The example prompt is now appearing on your screen. So this was the breakdown of a prompt. Within seconds, your full script is done. Step 3. Get visuals and voiceovers. For visuals, use tools like Pictory or InVideo. They automatically create video scenes based on your script. For voiceovers, try 11 Labs or Mic Monster. They have tons of realistic voices, so now you've got visuals and audio. Time to combine them. Use free apps like CapCut or VN, both available on your phone, to put the pieces together. Step 4. Upload and optimize. Make an eye-catching thumbnail, add keywords in your title, and don't forget, turn long videos into shorts for extra reach. Here's a quick YouTube success formula. Consistency, SEO, high-value content equals explosive growth. But heads up, you'll need some patience. If you start today, your channel might take 6 months to start paying off. But hey, every business takes time. Even if you opened a burger joint, it'd take time for people to notice. Same with fitness goals. Same with YouTube. Time is the one thing you have to invest. Business idea number 4, build and sell digital products. If you're looking for a business that makes money while you sleep, this model is it. It's the kind of system that doesn't require you to show up every day, but keeps generating income over and over again. Let's break it down. Step 1, choose the right product. Start by picking something people actually want. A product based on demand, not just what sounds cool. And no, it doesn't have to be fancy. Here are some examples. Ebooks, like 30-day beginner fitness plan. Notion templates, like study planners, habit trackers, budget spreadsheets. Resume builders, drag and drop formats for job seekers. Lead magnets, simple PDFs that help drive people to a bigger product, like a course or toolkit. These may look small, but their impact and demand are huge. Step 2, use ChatGPT to generate the content. The example prompt is now appearing on your screen. Now here's the breakdown. You'll get structured, ready-to-use material in seconds. Step 3, package it professionally. Here's where you make it look legit. Use Canva to design your ebook or PDF. Build Notion templates, write in Notion. Create landing pages with platforms like Gumroad or StanStore. That's where you'll actually sell your product. Pro tip, always add a preview or demo page. That one move can boost your sales by 30% or more. Step 4, sell and scale. Start with organic content. Post about your product on Twitter or Instagram, give away a small sample, and if people love it, upsell the full version. Build an email list and keep offering more value. Before you know it, you've got a side hustle turning into a real income stream. Best part, you don't need an office, a team, or even capital to start. And yeah, piracy exists, but don't let that stop. Even if 10 people buy, that's still solid income, and it builds fast. Business idea number 5. College-specific ChatGPT help service. You can literally start a small, profitable business inside your own college. No office, no website, no startup money. Just solve problems for students around you and make money doing it. Here's how it works. Think about all the stuff college students need help with every semester. Writing resumes, crafting personal statements for internships or grad school, putting together project reports and presentations, completing assignments, essays, or discussion board posts. Everyone wants fast and affordable solutions. That's where you come in. You use ChatGPT as your back-end assistant. The example prompt is now appearing on your screen. So this was the breakdown of a prompt. 80% of the work is done. You just tweak it a bit and deliver. Pricing? You decide. Just keep it college budget friendly. 5 to 10s to polish a resume, $3 to $5 to help finish an assignment, 15 to 20s for a full personal statement or cover letter. And you can easily find 5 to 10 clients every week just through your campus group chat or nearby Facebook group. That's $200 to $400 a month from a side hustle you run from your dorm. Here's the real kicker. You're building a hyper-local brand. You become the go-to person on campus for fast, affordable help. You've got 3 unfair advantages: fast delivery, a familiar face, a personal touch. Let me tell you a real quick story. One of my juniors in college used to help classmates finish their assignments. This was before ChatGPT even existed. He still made like $75 to $100 a week. Now imagine doing that today, with ChatGPT doing most of the heavy lifting. Start small, get confident, and scale from there. And remember this line: your skill isn't scalable until you put it in front of the market. Let's recap everything we covered. Business idea number 1, freelancing with ChatGPT. Write blogs, product descriptions, LinkedIn posts, or YouTube scripts using ChatGPT to boost your workflow 10x. Business idea number 2, AI-powered Instagram page. Pick a niche like finance, college life, or productivity. Let ChatGPT write the content, design it in Canva. Monetize through brand deals, affiliate links, and digital products. Business idea number 3, faceless YouTube channel. Use ChatGPT for scripts. Use AI tools for voiceovers and visuals. Business idea number 4, sell digital products. Ebooks, Notion templates, resume kits, productivity trackers. You design and sell it. Business idea number 5, college-specific ChatGPT help service. Help students with resumes, assignments, personal statements. But here's the truth. Start small. Take baby steps. Don't try to go all in from day one. 3 common mistakes to avoid. Blindly copying ChatGPT output. If you just copy-paste without adding your voice, your content will feel robotic and won't stand out. Underpricing your skill. $5 article mindset might get you started, but eventually, you've got to value your work and charge what you're worth. Clients respect higher rates when they come with results. No niche, no identity. If you try to do everything for everyone, you end up standing out to no one. Pick a niche like finance, education, productivity, or content creation and dominate it. Final thoughts. All the AI tools I mentioned, they're linked in the description. Test them out. And remember, AI is already the next big thing. I'll see you in the next video with another high-value topic. This is United Sensei, signing off for now. Catch you in the next one.